Hello, this tutorial will show you how to use the MVN Live plugin for Maya. This plugin can be downloaded for free from the software downloads page on our website. After downloading, be sure to run the installer as well. To live stream data from MVN, we will need to add a network streamer. For this tutorial, I'll be live streaming a pre-recorded file, but the workflow is the same for a live session. Open the network streamer settings by clicking this icon. Click Add to create a stream. The host should be the IP address of the computer that is running Maya. If it is running on the same computer as MVN, this can be left at the default localhost address. Take note of the port number as we'll be using it later. For Maya, we'll leave Quaternion selected. If you are also streaming finger or object data, enable the respective options here. Finally, enable the stream by checking this box. Settings are saved and applied automatically, so we can close this window. We're done with MVN and can move on to Maya. First, we need to enable the plugin. With the Maya scene open, navigate to Windows, Settings/Preferences, Plugin Manager. Search for MVN Live and check the Loaded box. If you would like to have the plugin load automatically when starting up Maya, check the Auto Load box as well. The window called MVN Live Play Control should now be open. To prevent issues with rotations, we also need to change a setting in the preferences. Navigate to Windows, Settings/Preferences, and Preferences. Find the Animation category and under Rotation Interpolation, change both curve defaults to Quaternion Slurp, then click Save. To stream body motion capture data, we will need to add a skeleton to stream to. If streaming multiple actors, up to 4 skeletons can be created. When ready, click on the character button. A skeleton will be added to the scene automatically along with objects for prop data. If no prop data is being streamed, these can be deleted. If needed, the port number can be changed in the Configuration tab. Check on the Live box to begin receiving data from MVN. At this point, the animation can be retargeted from this skeleton onto a character. For this tutorial, I'll be using Human IK from Maya. Import your character FBX into the scene. If the skeleton does not already have a character definition in Human IK, we will need to create one. Set the character to none and click Create Character Definition. With the character's hips bone selected, right-click on the hips bone in the Human IK window and choose Assign Selected Bone. Depending on your rig's naming convention, you may be able to automatically load a skeleton definition to assign the rest of the bones. First, I'll select all of the bones in my character's skeleton hierarchy by selecting the reference bone and going to Select Hierarchy. Next, click on the folder icon to bring up the Load Skeleton Definition window. I'm going to leave the template at HIK and choose Match Only Selected Bones, then click OK. If done correctly, the bone should be automatically assigned to the character definition. Otherwise, each bone needs to be assigned manually like we did with the hips. If using finger data, be sure to also assign the finger bones by clicking on the arrows next to the hands. To properly retarget the data, the character skeleton should be in a T-pose. If changes need to be made, disable the live stream from MVN, make sure the character definition is unlocked, and then rotate the bones as needed. To see the bones over the mesh, click this icon to enable X-ray joints. Once the skeleton is posed correctly, we can lock the character definition. With the character now properly set up, make sure we have this character selected in the Human IK window, and then change the source to MVN Character 1. Our character should now be animated with the live stream data. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. See you in the next one.